Hello, this is the power supply from EVGA, the Supernova G2 750 watt. It's a gold rated power supply from EVGA. This is the box. So basically just unpack it. So inside we've got a bag here for keeping the cables. So it's basically just a bag for keeping the cables. And the box comes with plenty of cables, VGA cables, SATA cables, power supply cords. Yeah, plenty of cables there, motherboard cable. There's plenty there. It also comes with Velcro straps for tying the cables and a test port for the motherboard for testing it before you plug it into the computer. In here we've got the main power supply, which is here. So it's basically a 750 watt gold rated power supply, 10-year warranty. These are the instructions. Okay, so we've got the power supply in this nice little bag. That's the top of the power supply there. We've got 4 VGA outputs, 2 CPU outputs, 1 peripheral, 3 SATA, and the motherboard connections. So this power supply actually comes with a power saving mode that turns the fan off when it's not in use. So that's the top of the power supply, or the bottom depending on how you mount it. There we go, the eco mode is currently in the off position. We'll switch that to the on position. There's a power switch, the power. That's the top of the power supply, and that is the side of the power supply with the specs on it. So it's max output is 24 amps for the 5 volt, for the 3.3 volt as well. 12 volt can handle 62 amps. Then we've got negative 12 is 0.5 amps, and plus 5 VSB is 3 amps. Total of 750 watts at 50 degrees Celsius. So that's the power supply I'll be putting into my computer. Alright, so this is the computer I'll be changing the power supply from. That's the old power supply in there, and it's just a matter of replacing it, putting the screws in, and the moulded plugs should be the same, but I'll check that. This is the computer here, fractal design case with an ASUS motherboard. So yeah, I'll start putting this power supply in. This is the old power supply here. So the new power supply is exactly the same size, and the plugs are exactly the same, so I don't have to do much to put in the new power supply. So this one, it's just a matter of unplugging it and yeah, I'll put in the new power supply and see how it goes.